So today I'll be showing you what to do in case for some reason your Sony Smart TV remote is not working. How do you fix that problem? Now, one of the things you can do is to just go to the back, slide out the back cover, and then from the back cover, take out the batteries. And with the batteries out, what you want to do is just kind of press and hold the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Just press and hold it in there. So that's going to probably release some of the built up charge in there that's causing the remote not to work properly. Okay. Now, once you finish, you can now go and spam all the buttons. Just keep pressing all the buttons firmly. You just want to go and spam as many of these buttons as possible. Okay, so if you have some problem in there, just go and do this. Keep in mind that the remote control has no batteries, so it won't affect anything on the TV. So just keep pressing firmly and releasing as many times as possible. And then you can now put the batteries back in. And that should hopefully fix the problem with your remote control. Now, if that still does not fix the problem, you might want to try a new set of AAA batteries because your batteries could have run out, and that's probably why it's not working. But usually that should fix the problem. Thanks for watching and good luck.